Hello dear traders, my name is Daria Bobrova and you are watching a daily trading plan for April 9th. The economic calendar is almost empty today. As a result, I would like to consider currency pairs from a longer term perspective. We will take a look at the technical side and what we can expect from the technical indicators. Let's start with the Euro-Canadian dollar pair. On the daily chart, you see that up to now the pair has been rising. However, previously on Monday and on Friday, we see that the chart formed two candlesticks with long upper shadows. So it means that the bull's strength weakens, and so it may be a signal of the reversal. So these candlesticks may be considered as shooting stars candlesticks, and so the pair may start declining soon. However, you remember that we always need a confirmation, and this confirmation will happen when the pair closes below the weekly pivot level at 149.87. As soon as the pair closes below it, we can anticipate a further slowdown towards 149.48. You see that previously this level was the bottom line of the consolidation zone, so again it may be a strong support for the pair. As soon as this level is broken, bears will try to pull the pair towards the weekly pivot level at 149.14. However, if we don't get a confirmation, the pair may keep rising, and again it will be able to test the resistance at 150.60. You see that this level was touched two times before, and you see that first time when the pair touched this level, the consolidation happened. So this scenario may repeat, and pay attention to this level. As soon as 150.60 is crossed by the pair, the next resistance will lie at 150.73. It's the weekly pivot level. What about the Australian dollar US dollar pair? So although many analysts were talking about the risk of sentiment that was caused by the sanctions of the US on the European products, their risky assets such as Australian dollar and New Zealand dollar managed to rise based on the weakness of the USD. So we see that on the daily chart, the Australian dollar US dollar pair could break above the weekly pivot at 0.7137, and it even tested their 100-day moving average. However, the further rise may be stopped if the USD is strong. So tomorrow you should pay attention to American inflation data, and if it's encouraging for the US currency, the Australian dollar US dollar pair may weaken, and in this case we can anticipate a decline below the weekly pivot level, and the next support will lie at 0.1794. However, as for indicators, we see that RSI indicator is just near the overbought zone. However, it have not crossed the 70 level yet, and it means that the pair may keep rising. Also, for the stochastic indicator, this indicator is near the overbought zone as well. However, the sell signal will appear only when the indicator crosses the red line upside down and will leave the overbought zone as well. In case of the rise, bulls will be able to test the resistance at 0.7166. As soon as this level is broken, the next resistance will lie at the weekly pivot level of 0.7174. And some words about the Euro USD pair. On the weekly chart, we see that the awesome oscillator formed the bullish divergence with the chart, so it may be a signal of the strength of the euro. On the daily chart, we see that the pair has been rising. However, up to now it has been trading within two weekly pivot levels. As soon as 112.87 is broken, the next resistance will lie at 130.21. However, tomorrow the European Central Bank will hold a meeting, and we are waiting for the press conference. If Mr. Draghi sounds optimistic, the pair will be able to cross this level and we can anticipate a further rise. However, if Mr. Draghi sounds pessimistic, the pair may turn around, and so it will meet support at 112.49 and 112.15. That's all for today. Follow these and other trading plans with ABS.